Artificial intelligence continues to evolve at lightning speed, and today we'll dive into some of the most exciting updates from Google Bard, Amazon Alexa, and ElevenLabs. Let's start with Google Bard. Google has been steadily improving Bard, its conversational AI, to compete with top language models. The latest upgrade integrates Bard more deeply with Google's ecosystem, allowing it to connect with tools like Gmail, Docs, and Drive. This means Bard can now help users summarize emails, draft documents, and even pull information from your own Google data securely. Google is also working on making Bard sound more natural and context-aware, giving responses that better match your tone and intent. Next up, Amazon Alexa. Amazon recently announced a new version of Alexa powered by generative AI. The update aims to make Alexa more conversational and emotionally intelligent. Instead of short, robotic answers, Alexa can now carry on more natural conversations, remember context, and respond with personality. This is part of Amazon's effort to make Alexa not just a voice assistant, but a truly helpful AI companion for your home and daily life. And finally, ElevenLabs. Known for its ultra-realistic voice generation, ElevenLabs is expanding its projects beyond text-to-speech. Their latest developments include multilingual voice cloning and emotional speech synthesis. These upgrades allow users to create natural-sounding voices that can express emotions and even speak multiple languages, perfect for content creators, educators, and businesses. In short, Google Bard is getting smarter with better integrations, Alexa is becoming more human-like, and ElevenLabs is leading the way in voice AI innovation. The future of AI looks more connected, more personal, and more lifelike than ever before.